Hey guys, Brandon from RC Flyer here. Got something new to show you guys. Just got in the mail. Hard Park has come out with MOAs, motor on axle. These things are amazing. Check these things out. This is what you get. They didn't have the ones that came with the steering links, so I'm going to have to do some modifications to make steering links for this. That shouldn't be a problem. Going to be using the Komodo micro motors. It's a perfect fit right on here, just like this. Gonna mock everything up, and then I'm gonna modify, and I'm gonna be using the NSDRC servos that I like to use, and it's going on the Profit chassis. These are Hard Park wheels, 1.8s. Those are all gonna go. Gonna take the motor out of this. Gonna have a whole new look to it. It's going to be great. Greatest thing too about these is they are considerably wider axles, so I'm going to get a wider stance on this, which I cannot wait. So we're going to start doing that. Stay tuned. A lot of modifications, especially in the front. I'm going to probably have to make my own front links and mix and match and see what I can do, just because again, when it comes to these things, one-offs, it's, you know, you got to be creative. So stay tuned. All right guys, here's the build in progress, still waiting for parts. This is a, let's just say, a Hard Park meets Profit Designs helter skelter build. So Profit Designs frame and links, but I do have more links coming that are Hard Park MOA motor on axle. These did not come with the steering links, so I'm gonna have to build my own, and those links are coming, so I will have a video putting those together and seeing how well. I've not done this very often, so we'll see how that goes. I got the two Furitek motors that are going to go into the motor on axles. And I got the servos. They're great micro servos. These are the 1.8s that are provided by Hard Park. I've had these for quite some time. I might upgrade to a different design. I guess they're going to a bigger tire too, so stay tuned for that. I might get some of those. So yeah. Still in the build phase. It's gonna take, gotta be patient. Parts are on order. All right guys, it's coming along. Again, body is Profit Designs. The rear are Profit Designs links. The front links I am actually modifying, and I got some links from Hard Park axles, motor on axle. I am making my own steering links, so they're coming out pretty good, using brass, threading them myself, so it's a work in progress. I will be using the Flysky system. I was going to use these wheels, but instead I am going to put them on this truck, and then I have Hard Park new wheels coming, and they're going to go with this. These are INJORA tires. They're the Klingon tires. I saw someone running these. These things are pretty sweet. I already cut them out. I have the template from the last build from these tires, so I already just cut it out just to see a fit and how they would look, and I think they're going to look amazing on this truck. Still waiting for some gears. I ordered the wrong gears and wrecked the ones that were on this, so I just got to get more gears so I can get this thing running. But it's looking good. It's going to be super long. And yeah, I also had to make an extension link myself for the rear Komodo because of how long the rear links are. It wasn't going to work, so now I made my own stretched look. So all right guys, build is complete. Just go over everything. Hard Park wheels, just got brand new ones. Proline shocks, front and rear. The links in the rear, the body, are from Profit Designs. This was a Profit Designs that I decided to modify once Hard Park decided to make motor on axle. So we got 2 hard park motor on axles. I got the Furitek micro Komodos. Got 2 micro servers. The biggest difference too with this is these links I custom made for now, because hard park at the time didn't have any available with the sets, so I modified them. Went on Amazon, bought some brass 3M links, cut them to size, and then use this nifty tool to use to bore them out to make the threads. And then I just use the 3M that I had left over link ends, and now you have it. Works fine, works great. Again, I put the battery here right on top of the servo for now, but how I'm set it up, I'm using a Flysky Noble Pro. Steering looks good, nice and quiet. Then I have the different setups for 4-wheel steer. I also have it set up so that I can make it the front or rear faster and have a different ratio, so I can have some differentials in the speeds that they run. So that's pretty cool as well. I can go all the way up, all the way down. I also have the ability to manually do the rear with my thumb. So yeah, part 2 I will have we'll test it out and see how well she does. You can see the stance is so much bigger than most of my other builds. Just to give you an instance, this is my project. You guys seen my project Black Widow thing came out. This was a 100% custom build, scratch build that I built. Again, you can see that the stance is way longer and wider with these awesome hard park axles. Highly recommend getting these axles, guys. These things are awesome. I can't wait to run them. And then if you wanted to do like your normal setup to just show you the difference, I got my MEUS guy there. You can see how much bigger this guy is compared to it. So yeah, it was a great build. Cannot wait to get it out on the rocks to try it out. So stay tuned.